Alright, time to change some turn signal lights. The front right two turn signal lights both burn out at the same time for some reason. And when that happens, your blinker will blink really fast. The rear one still works, but the front two went out. When only one of them was burnt out, it blinked normal, but when they both burn out, it started blinking really fast. So let's go change them. Okay, so here's the front side turn signal light, and the way you get to that one is underneath here. I go up underneath, and you can see it right here, and you just turn it counterclockwise, and then voila, there's your light bulb. Got it. Okay, so I got my replacement bulb here. It's a Sylvania 194. Let's go ahead and plug it in. Alright, plugged in. So now, I just need to slide it in just like that, and then turn it clockwise till it locks, just like that. You're good to go. Alright, so to get the front turn signal light replaced, we gotta take this cover off, and there's these 3 tabs here, this one, and there is supposed to be one there that goes through this air intake cover, but the air intake cover is popped out and it's setting off to the side because it's broken. So I only need these 2, and if it just spins like that on you, get a flat screwdriver under it. There we go. Basically get a flathead screwdriver under it, get some pressure on the threads of that screw so it'll come up, and then now it should have enough of the screw out to be able to release it. Well, the screw just came out completely, so let's get that tab out. Alright. There's what the tab looks like. Just shoves down in there, and the screw is supposed to spread it out, and then you're supposed to be able to unscrew it and then pull it out, but they get stripped and don't work very well. Alright, let's see if this one does any better. Oh yeah, the screw's actually coming up. This is how it's supposed to work. Screw comes up. Don't want to. You can pull the screw out, and then the tab will pull out. Alright, let's take this cover off. You gotta kind of slide it out this way and up and over this. So we're gonna pull this out. Pull this over, and then this needs to be slid out. There you go. Alright, now, ow, son of a biscuit. Alright, so you just be careful of the radiator fins. They can be kind of sharp and you don't want to cut your fingers on it. Oh yeah. Yeah, so that's why this one wasn't working. So my turn signal bulb socket here is broke, but just to show you what it should be like. So you got another twist lock connection here. And this thing's so old the tab just broke off. fantastic. So the lock tab is broke off. But on a good one, you'd just be able to push it down and then wiggle it off. So a little hard to do because of that radiator, so you kind of got to turn it, wiggle this off, and then you can turn it the rest of the way. It's really hard to do, but you just keep turning it, and then it'll eventually pop out as you're turning it. Okay, just gotta kind of crank on it until it's hard to crank on too because there we go. Yeah, you keep turning it until it pops out. Alright, so I got a Sylvania 3157 that I'm going to stick in the front turn signal light. Try not to break it even more. Just grabbing onto it, wiggling it back and forth, and it slowly came out there. So a new bulb, take it, plug it in, doesn't matter what direction, push it in there. Well, since my socket is all broken out in here and I can't latch it, I'm just going to Gorilla Glue it in there and call it good. Alright, Gorilla glued it real good. That ought to stay in there. Now we need to test it and make sure it works. Alright, now when I use my turn signal, it blinks at a normal speed. Alright, got that one going. Got that one going, we're good to go. Alright, so we'll slap this cover back on. There we go. All hooked under. Slap that down. Alright, so to get these in, you gotta make sure you got that screw out a little bit so that it can squeeze together to get in that hole. Push it in, and then just shove that screw down in there. Alright, and then this last one I'm going to put underneath this because the cover broke and it won't go down into the hole like it's supposed to. So just put this last one in now. And it's in. Push the screw in. Alright.